Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will do online currency converter. We will get information online. And first let me run. Here we will choose the currency USD, Euro, GBP and TRY. It's Turkish lira. For example, when I choose Turkish lira, if I put amount, here amount means that 1 USD. So 1 USD equals how many USD? For example, if I choose USD, it will be 1 because it's same thing, 3. And if I choose Turkish lira, so 1 Turkish lira now 32.23. So if I write like 38, it will give me the number. So it's slow, it's getting slower because we are getting the informations like the currency, the value online by using here API, a website. I will show you that. Okay, additionally, we are importing requests, and here we have a list currency options. You can add different options here. And currently drop down, we are creating a widgets, drop down widgets here, and options will be currency options. Whenever you add new currencies here, your options, when you click here, you will have more options. And description is currency, here currency, we are seeing that. And amount input, here amount input is a float task, and description is amount. And converted output, also float task, description, converted output. We are seeing here. And then we have a function as always, and current, and we have to observe. Current drop down, observe, convert currency value. Here, whenever currency drop down, this part's value change. This line is run convert currency function, and additionally, whenever the output input, the value of this input change, this line is also run convert currency. So these two line always voids. Is there any change in this, like drop down or the value? Whenever there is a change, it will run this function. Okay, what's happening in this function? Let's look at that. Currency equals currency drop down value. For example, here euro, if it is euro, now our currency is euro. Amount input value, here it is now it's 40. After that, we need to get now 1 USD equals how many euro. And for that, we are using requests get function, and here we have a website. I opened that. When you go to that website, you will get this. And as you can see, it's a dictionary, and inside this dictionary provider is one, like exchange-rate-api.com. After that, here we have terms and base. Base is USD. Date, here we have a date, today's date, time last updated, Unix time is one. Rate, here what we need. Rate is the key, and it equals a new dictionary. Here we have many rates, like USD to base USD, our like target USD, when target USD, it equals 1. AED, here AFN, I think you can see all the currencies here. So if you want to add another currency, you can just copy from here and go to the list, and you can add that currency here. So we are taking the currency values from this website. Okay, and then here response is that one, and we are creating JSON's JSON style by using JSON function, and in that dictionary we have a dictionary here. We are choosing rates, and then this part equals here. You can see rates. Now we just have this dictionary. After that, rates equals that one, and in that rates we are using currency. Currency is currency drop down value. Now is EUR, euro. So here in this condition we are taking EUR. Okay, let's first see, for example, Turkish lira here. When I choose Turkish lira and take this one. Okay, Turkish lira 1, 32.23. Look at here, 32.23 takes this number. And then amount here, this one. So converted amount equals amount multiplied with rates currency, whatever it is. And 1 times 32.23. And when I increase this number, this result is also changed, because when I change this number, it will go to this website and take all the data from there and use that data. Because of that, there is a late, a little 1 second and 1 second, because each time goes that website and take updated data and use those value. Okay, here we got converted amount and converted output. We created here float task value equals converted output, and here we are changing that. And at the end, we are using vertical box. First, we are showing currency dropdown, this part, amount input here, converted output here. Okay guys, it's also a good project. I hope you understand that. If you have any question, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.